Introduction to word processing. The objectives. So understand word processing. Use a word processor like Microsoft Word. And what are the parts of the Microsoft Word application? And creating a new document, typing text in documents, navigating the document, editing documents, and saving and also opening saved documents. So these are the objectives. Word processing. Word processing refers to the act of using a computer to create, edit, save, and print documents. So we create. After we create, maybe we can make some changes. Then we save the document. Later on, we can open the document and print the document. And the printed output sometimes can be used in creating another document. So in order to perform word processing, specialized software known as a word processor is needed. One example of a word processor is Microsoft Word, but other word processing applications are also widely used. Examples include Microsoft Works or Microsoft Works Word. Then we also have Open Office Writer, WordPerfect, and Google Drive Document. Word processing. So the editing and formatting capabilities of the word processor demonstrate the application's true power. Text can be inserted, edited, moved, copied, or deleted within your document. And the appearance of the text can be modified in numerous ways. Most word processors also give you the ability to check your spelling and grammar, and many have built-in dictionaries and other tools to assist you in your writing. So one of the applications or the software, one of the software used for word processing is Microsoft Word. So to open MS Word, you just search for the application icon and then click or double click the icon. And these are the parts of the Microsoft Word. So we have here the quick access toolbar, wherein we can find these icons here like save, undo, or redo. We have the title bar. So this is where you can see the title of the document. We have this as our ribbon. That's the ribbon. And this is the office button. And this is the document window, this white area. And here we have the blinking character, which is called the insertion point or cursor. These are our rulers. So we have the vertical ruler and horizontal ruler. This is the status bar, where you can see the page number, how many words are there. And these are view shortcuts. So these are different views we can have. So like we have layout view and others. So we have here zoom control if you want to make the display bigger or the text bigger or smaller. So we have a horizontal scroll bar, so we can scroll horizontally, and with the vertical scroll bar. So these are the parts of Microsoft Word. How do we create new document? So to create a new document, we just click on File, and then we click on New. Then you can select a template. So we have here several templates. But for now, we just use blank document and we just click the Create icon. How to type text in Word. So if this is your window, the document window, you can just start typing. So rules for typing is keep typing within a paragraph. So we just keep on typing until the end of the paragraph. So it's not per line, but until the end of the paragraph. And then at the end of the paragraph, we press enter. press the enter key. Now we use style to format text, so this will be discussed in another video. And we use tables and tabs to arrange text, so this will be discussed also in another lecture. We use bulleted paragraph style for bullets, so these are bullets, again on another video. Make changes, fix mistakes, edit your document as often as you like, so this will be discussed here. And use page numbering and let text flow from page to page, will be discussed in another window. And print your document when you are ready. So what you should remember now is especially the rules in typing. So you just keep on typing within a paragraph, and we just press enter key at the end of the paragraph. Now, how do we navigate Word? So let's say we have our documents. How do we navigate Word? So to navigate Word, you can use any of the following. We can use arrow keys, so up and down arrow. You can use page up and page down, so the page down and page down keys. We can also use the horizontal and the vertical scroll bars. Of course, we can use the scroll button of your mouse, and we can also use a find icon. So once we click on find, then we use go to. So when we click on go to, we can go to several options here. You can go to a page, to a section, to a line, or you can enter the page number. How do we edit text and document? You can use backspace key to erase text to the left of the cursor or insertion point. So once you're typing and you committed some mistakes, you can just use backspace to erase the text to the left of your cursor. We can also use the delete key. So the delete key erases text to the right of the cursor insertion point. Typing text inserts text on the cursor or insertion point if you are in the insert mode. Now, how do we save document? To save documents, you can do any of the following. Use the save icon. So you can click on this icon, or click the file and then click save or save as. So click file and then you can click save or save as, or you can just press Ctrl S. So these are some of the ways of saving your file. So once you click on this, it will open the save dialog box where you can specify the folder and the file name of the document. How do we open documents? To open documents, you can do any of the following. We can double click or right click the file name or icon of your document in the File Explorer or desktop, or open MS Word, then click File Open. So you can click File and then Open. So if you notice, we have the open menu item here. Or you can open MS Word, click File, and then click Recent to show all recently open documents. So in summary, so we have discussed here what is a word process, what is word processing. So it is actually an application, or it is the process of creating documents, etc. And we have shown you the parts of the Microsoft Word. How do we type documents? How we navigate documents? How do we edit documents? And how do we save and open saved document? Now let us show you the actual application. So this is already Microsoft Word. I have already opened a new document. So how do we type? So we just type until the end of the paragraph, or a title is already considered as a paragraph in Microsoft Word. So just type the title, press enter key at the end. Then you can type the paragraph. So if you commit mistakes, you can just press backspace. So let's say I have that error. I can also place my cursor in that position and then press delete. So delete will erase the character to the right of your cursor. So if you want to zoom, you can use this part. So I have now zoomed my document. So you notice I'm typing the text or the paragraph continuously. If that's the end of the paragraph, and then that is where I press enter key. So that's the end of my paragraph. Okay, let's say I would like to insert a text here. I can just click here. So that's also how we navigate. We just use the mouse to navigate. So we can move the mouse. We can scroll. We can use page up and page down. You can use arrow keys to scroll. Or again, you can use the mouse, and then let's say I want to insert the text, so I just type the text. So for every mistake, I can use backspace. So that's how we type documents. So you notice here it says page 1. I have 79 words. So that's the status bar. So we have here our ruler and the ribbon. So if I want to save the document, I can just click on the save icon, or I can use file save. So let me use file save first. File save. Then this is now the save dialog box. Let's say I am here in this particular folder. Oh wait, please. So that's my save dialog box. So I just click file and then save, and then here you notice I am in the my documents folder. Let's say I want to save the file here. So for example, this is my manuscript. So let's say I use the file name manuscript, then I just click on the save button to save. So I have now saved my document. So how do I close Word? I can just click on this icon. Then I have close Microsoft Word. How do I open Word? So I can use my taskbar, or I can use the start button and then look for Word. So I just type Word. So I have here Microsoft Word. Press the icon, click the icon, and then I can use file open to open the document, or I can use the recent documents here. So let's use file open, for example. File open. So what's my file name? Manuscript. So I just click on my file name and click open. So I have here now the document. So that's the basic way of making use of Microsoft Word. So thank you very much for viewing this video.